have this job where they done some repairs on the pipes because they had a leak. So basically they remove everything and now we have to put it back. We have the ply here ready, we're gonna install it back, and all the tires gonna go exactly how it was before. Let's crack on. So now we're gonna mix the adhesive and stick them back in place, and when that's dry we're gonna do the grouting and silicone. After the adhesive gone dry, we're gonna mix the grout. We're gonna do the grout, and after the grout is drying, we're gonna do a bit of silicone all around. So, job done. We finished the silicone, we done the repair, and we're gonna move to the next project.